Stop coughing. With this 100% natural remedy, you can get rid of dry cough, soothe a sore throat, clear phlegm, and open up your lungs, all without using any pills. You'll be able to stop that terrible cough in less than a day. First, we'll need 3 lemons. Make sure to wash them thoroughly since we'll be using their peels. Extract the juice from the lemons and then cut the peels into smaller pieces. Lemon has an expectorant effect that loosens phlegm, making it easier to expel. Its high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, speeding up the elimination of bacteria and viruses. Next, we'll need 5 tablespoons of honey. The viscous texture of honey coats the irritated throat, soothing irritation and pain. Its high content of hydrogen peroxide and gluconic acid helps fight infections in the respiratory tract. In a pot, place the honey. Add the lemon juice and the lemon peels. Cook for at least 10 minutes and our remedy will be ready. How to consume it? Simply take 3 tablespoons a day. You will feel immediate relief. Make sure to store it in a glass container with a lid. The cough and sore throat will be gone before you finish the mixture. Thank you for watching, and if you like easy and natural recipes, follow me for more.